And as the coronavirus worries continued, stocks heading sharply downward today. So what does the drop mean for you and your money? NBC 26's Matt Jarko here in studio with some answers tonight. Matt?
John, let's say I invested my hard-earned $100 bill here into the Dow on January 1st, 2019. A year later, I would have made more than $20 on that. Nothing terrific, but now think about that return in a much bigger 401k, because in the last week, that $20 I made is now gone. So what do I do next? That depends.
A tough week on Wall Street.
It's been interesting, to say the least.
With repercussions for us back at home.
Markets are responding to the coronavirus news.
Mike Mocco and his team at Mocco Financial Group are guiding investors through a major drop in the market. How it affects your money is likely tied to how close you are to retirement.
The people who tend to be justified in being fearful are the people who need it now or will need it now. And those are your pre-retirees and your retirees.
If that's you, Mocco recommends the following. First, don't panic. Check your portfolio. See if changes need to be made. If you're on a fixed income, can you withstand the market dip? Or do you need to adjust your risk?
The second kind of conversation that we're having is actually with younger people who see this as a buying opportunity. I've gotten a couple phone calls and I think 2 text messages from people wishing they had money to invest now.
If that's you, be careful. Timing the market is really hard. However, if retirement is a ways away, this week isn't likely to have a long-term effect.
The mistake right now would be anything on the extremes. I generally think it's a bad idea to say, is this a time, I don't even like the phrase, is now a good time to get in or get out. No, that's not ever a prudent investment strategy.
And another important note to remember in this, the stock market has always rebounded. Mocco says it's not a question of if this market drop will end, but when. Matt Jarko, NBC 26.